If you encounter this error code on your Windows PC, we have some solutions for you in this video. Now, this particular error occurs when the update being installed is incompatible with the device running on it, or when the download times out due to network-related issues. So before you try any of the other solutions, it is always a good idea to restart your computer and see if it fixes the issue. So you can do it by opening the Start menu, click the power icon, select Shutdown, wait for a few minutes before turning your computer back on again. Once you have done this, launch Windows Update again and attempt to install any updates. Additionally, use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You can do it by opening Settings, open System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then click Run next to Windows Update, and follow any on-screen instructions. Another potential cause of the error is a poor or unstable internet connection. So you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly, then try running Windows Update again. And those are the following ways on how you can fix this Windows Update error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.